Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to those of you watching on onespotmedia.com. Justice Minister Delroy Chuck is apologizing for comments he made about the appropriate time period for reporting sexual harassment. Mr. Chuck has faced criticisms for the comments, which many say were insensitive. Giovanni Dennis reports.
Justice Minister Delroy Chuck at Wednesday's Joint Select Committee on the proposed sexual harassment bill. He commented on the time frame within which a non-criminal sexual harassment complaint can be made.
We don't want the situation that now happens in the Me Too movement in the U.S., where 30 years later, you talk about I was harassed in the elevator. No, if you don't complain within 12 months, please, cut it off.
That comment has triggered backlash, and now he's apologizing for what he said and the manner in which he spoke.
It was not intended to undermine the seriousness of the subject and the trauma that women suffer, so that the comments where I said 12 months was just to emphasize the need that reporting should be done in a timely manner, and nothing was meant to be hurtful.
Mr. Chuck says on reflection, he understands the concerns raised by members of the public, noting that his comments displayed a lack of sensitivity. The comments have angered members of the public, including local women's rights activists. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.